Hey, put on me girl, I like you. Talk to me girl, I like you. Bad thing.
I've got another £100 business model for you guys, and look, this one is wicked. I even dressed up smart for this. You know what I mean? Check this one. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Minute Hustle. I go by the name Jaden if you don't know me, and today I'm bringing you another £100 business model. For those who don't know what that is, I show you how to start a brand new business for just £100 or less. And guys, let me tell you, this is the sickest one of them all. I promise you. Look, I'm not gonna waste no time. Look, check this out, right? Do you know what this is? This is a site that I started myself, and what it is, it's a print-on-demand service. I have my own brand for this particular website that you're looking at here, which I'm going to throw in the link down below, so if you want to buy some of my merchandise, you can do that. But guys, this is what I'm going to be showing you today. How to start a brand new print-on-demand service, and guess what? We can knock it out for less than £100, I promise you this. So this particular site here is called Teespring, okay? There's a lot of print and demand services out there that you can use to make a living. This one is called Teespring. I use others, I'm not gonna lie, I use others. There's another one called Printful. Matter of fact, I'm gonna drop these in the links in the description below so you can click on them and then you can start the business, right? But these print on demand businesses are becoming a powerful thing. And I said this to my mum a few weeks ago, I said she needs to get on it, because if you don't, you're gonna get left behind. Because what will happen is, everybody will start doing it and then you'll be left behind, and by the time you do it, you can't set your prices right because people are already demanding it, dominating it. They know what they're doing. So yeah, I'm gonna take you through the steps on what you need to start this business and how to really make this business thrive and everything that you need to make it happen. Oh, and if you haven't seen my videos, I take you step by step on how to start this business, from finding your niche, from finding your marketing, to the price and your profits. So without wasting any time, look, check this, right? Number one, your niche is the most important thing. I say it in every video that I do, but it's the truth. Your niche is the most important thing to have in any business that you do, because if you don't know your niche, if you don't know the people you're selling to, then what is the point in trying to start a business in the first place, right? So understanding your niche is an important thing. And with this particular thing, for me and for you guys, anyone that loves clothes is your niche. And all you need to do, and to make it more precise, you can select certain designs to attract more people into your business. Boomba! An example of this is, imagine you have your kids, right, who love Fortnite. They love how to dance. They love all the Fortnite dances, you know, give it up for a second. Fortnite dances when you, where's it? There you go. Is that flossing? Mess up my rasp, but you know, there's kids who love to floss, and there's kids that will buy your stuff. Parents will love it for their kids, and you can use things like Fortnite and any other design. Well, you might want to check on the licensing and stuff, but I know there's a site out there that offers you to take these licenses for free, or they have stock images that you can use for free, yeah? And you can find these on Google, you can find them on certain websites. You can find them, they're not hard to find, yeah? You can enhance your niche depending on the designs that you choose. Some people are dog lovers, so you can do pugs, Labradors on different tops and t-shirts and things like that. Some people love flowers, so you can do flower clothes, you know what I'm saying? So look, let's go back on this now. You're understanding your niche for this, right? You can have an endless amount of niche depending on the design that you choose, right? Marketing. How do you market a thing like this? It's so simple. Facebook groups. That's the powerfulest thing. You know how many people you can find in Facebook groups? And that's just one of many that I'm about to tell you. But Facebook groups, you can join one group and there's 20,000 people in there. So from the moment you throw up a top set which says, oh, I floss like my dad. Oh, no, I floss like my son. Or I floss like my daughter. Because they exist, you can find something like that, yeah? But from the moment you throw something up like that, the dad or the mum will go, you know what, I really like that. They're talking about my kid. They're talking about Fortnite. Oh, that's quite funny. I'll buy it for my husband. He can wear it and walk down the street while he holds my son's hand. People will buy into that easily. So Facebook groups is a good way to go. Another way again is using Pinterest, because I tell you what, people look on Pinterest for trends and everything all the time, new clothes, new designs, all the time. So when they see your designs that you've decided to choose and you're throwing it on Pinterest, you know, they click on the Pinterest, they click on the link, bang, it takes them straight to Teespring. Because people go, oh, I like that top, where can I get it? You've already directed them. Click on it, bang, straight to your Teespring or your Printful, whatever you're gonna use, and that is how they buy your product. Now we understand how you can market this, right? And I'm sure you'll come up with many other ways to market it, but those are the ways that I would do it, right? Let's talk about cost. How much does it cost you to make this? Nothing. Nothing. It costs you nothing to make. Listen, Teespring do not charge you anything to make this today. Literally, all you do is you put your designs on and they say to you, listen, I'll take a percentage, right? And the percentage is, because you're using their stuff, you're using their materials, right? So you're using their hats, their t-shirts and all stuff like that, because they just got plain garments. And all you do is you select the design to throw on it and then you sell it. And what they say to you is, it costs this amount. For example, it costs $10 for me to make this t-shirt. But so whatever you choose, so if you say $15, you make $5 on top of that, or £5, whichever you wanna say. The reason I'm saying dollars is because a lot of the time these websites are in like dollars instead of British pounds, right? But yeah, you say that it costs $15, you're making £5 on top of that. You can select $20 and make £10 on top. You can select the price that you want to pay and they will pay it, especially if you're choosing good designs, yeah? There's nothing stopping you from starting it now. You can start right now and start making money now, yeah? I'm gonna go over the profits with you in a second, but I wanted to talk about the cost. It costs you nothing to make. Moving on to the fourth one, I just said it was profit. How much profit can you actually make from this? Let me tell you something, right? If you found the right target audience, right, your niche. Now, I know you can go on Facebook and you can go on the ads to create an ad, and then you can select target audience, and you can select two types of target audience. I think it's called, I can't remember for sure what it's called, but I know you go into I know you go to post an ad, and when you go to post an ad, it asks you what kind of market you want to target. And then you can type, for example, you can type Fortnite. And then it'll tell you how many people are interested in Fortnite, yeah? And then you can select another thing. You can say coffee, just for an example. I don't know why. But let's just say you said coffee as well, right? And you can have like a Fortnite character holding a coffee cup. You're now targeting two niches on top of the niche that you're doing. You're targeting two separate niches. You're targeting a gaming industry niche, and now you're targeting people who love coffee. Do you see what I'm saying? How this can be so powerful? So that is what you do, and that's how you find out how you can get people to buy and how often people will buy from you. Because the more people you target, the more it's gonna sell, because it's gonna attract people more. Some merchandise on Teespring and Printful, they only wanna make like £6-7 for a t-shirt. Let's say on the basis that it is £8, yeah, to use one of their plain t-shirts, and you decide to throw up a design of Fortnite, yeah, and then they're saying it's gonna cost £8. You can set your price at like £20, £22. You set it at £22, I guarantee it will sell. People love Fortnite and stuff like that, or whatever it is that you decide to use, right? Any design you decide to use. People love that, and it will sell, because if it's sold at £22, you're making £14 a t-shirt. Imagine if you did 10 t-shirts a day. Because some people, I tell you, these designs, the more designs you have up, because I would just throw up 100 bloody merchandise. I'll have hats, t-shirts, socks, because you can put leggings on there, you can put hoodies on there, you can put all sorts on there, man. I would throw up as much as I can in different designs, because it doesn't cost you to add anything, right? I would throw loads of designs up and then watch the money fall into your hands, literally, because then people have more to choose from. You can choose different colors and how it's gonna go. I guarantee you, selling 10 in a day will not be hard. Matter of fact, let's just do 5. Let's just do 5. Let's say you just sold 5, right, at £14 a day, right? What is that, £70? Is that right? Let me check that on my phone, I have to check. But if it's right, my math is disgusting. That's £70. Bomba! That's That's nice, man. And you know what the best thing is? You don't have to do nothing. You don't have to do no packaging, none of that stuff, no posting. They handle it all. All you do is you upload the design, it sells, they send it to the people, they provide you the proof of process so you can see exactly where it's going, and done. It's that simple, guys. Seriously, this is a good thing to get into. Why do you think I've done it? Why do you think I've got my designs up? Because I can tell you, I'm making money just sitting there doing nothing. It's just coming. You imagine waking up and in the morning, bang, you got £150 in your bank for doing nothing. And you didn't have to post it, you didn't have to do any of that. You just wake up and bang, it's there. That is what this business is, and it doesn't cost you anything as well. This is something, if you do not do this, there's something wrong with you, seriously. Because at the end of the day, no matter what you're doing, whether you're doing your normal job, your 9 to 5, or your 5-hour job, or whatever you're doing, this costs you nothing. It takes a bit of time to set up, an hour at the max, or 2 hours at the max, putting up loads of products for people to buy, done, and that's it. And then watch the money just come in. You can select the quantity, you can have as many quantities as you want for each product. So, you know, this is something you should be doing right now. So you imagine this over 10 days, yeah? Over 10 days, you could potentially, based on 5 items a day, over 10 days, you could be looking at £700. Bomba! £700 is a nice bit of money, especially in 10 days. You tell me another job how you can make £700 doing nothing. Because I don't know any. Apart from this one, yeah? So you roll that over 30 days, right? 30 days, you're looking at £2,100. Bomba! This is disgusting. This business, let me tell you something. If you did this business, you could have such a great future ahead of you, because once you've set it up, it's not taking your time or costing you anything to do. You're not taking, you're not doing anything out of your own time that's going to affect this business. Matter of fact, you could just push that aside and do loads of other stuff. This is a good business to get in, guys. You know? Especially for those baby mamas and them guys that are struggling, sitting there signing on. Oh, nah, man, he's signing on tonight, yeah. No, don't start, yeah? Don't start, love. All those people that need to sign on, you don't need to do that, because I'm offering you an opportunity to make money just like that. Okay? If you like this, give me a thumbs up. I want to get 15 likes on this one. 15, 1-5. Please. 300 people. I tell you what, I'm so thankful. 300 people for subscribing. That's nice. Thank you very much. Yeah. I'm surprised I got 300 people. I know what, I checked 2 weeks ago and I only had, I checked about a month ago and I only had 200 people. So I don't know where you 100 come from. So thank you very much. Okay, I really appreciate it. But yeah, make sure you give me 15 likes, guys. Come on, just like it now. Boom, like, yeah? And then make sure you click my subscribe button, which I'm gonna bust in. This corner. I'll put my subscribe button there, click it, subscribe to me so you don't miss out on more good content that's coming. And guys, click my notifications bell. Stay with me so you don't miss no